ahead and set this up. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, I guess a little bit more about this exhaust. It was actually really cheap, like super cheap. If you watched the last video, then you would have saw that I told y'all that the Cherry Bomb exhaust parts, whatever, they're really fucking cheap. And I did go with Cherry Bomb. I did. I definitely did. But I didn't get the resonators. So just Duncan, let me show y'all what I'm drinking on, man. Yes, sir. So I went ahead and got the Cherry Bomb Extremes. I didn't do the resonators. They sounded cool in videos, but you know, it ain't what I was going for. However, with this one, the Extremes, and I'm about to show y'all how it looks. You know, I'm about to do the unboxing and shit. But with this one, man, this bitch is gonna sound crazy. Yes, it's gonna be loud as shit. It shouldn't be obnoxious loud because I'm actually keeping everything how it is. I'm just swapping resonators with the, you'll see what I'm about to do. Matter of fact, let's just get right into it, man. I'm gonna unbox it for y'all. So let's go, man. Let's go. All right, so now that we're up close and personal, you know what I'm saying? Listen, I'm gonna show y'all what this exhaust look like. So, yeah, man. So, packaging, right? First thing you notice is packaging is actually a little fucked up, but that's cool, because that ain't what's important. So, I'm gonna show y'all the first one. Cool decal, you know what I'm saying? I might keep that. That's dope. I know y'all see the color, right? Yo. Ooh, fucking wee. Look at this bitch, man. Look at that bitch, man. Ooh. Cherry Bomb, 7426s. You know what I'm saying? It's red. This red ain't gonna last. But I was looking at it yesterday, and yeah, man, this shit is really simple. This bitch is gonna be loud. It's gonna be loud as shit. So that's one. I actually didn't open this one up, but damn, I'm weak as shit now, man. God damn. The second one, yeah, man. Let me check anything else. So that's trash, man. These mufflers, dog. Let me switch y'all around so y'all can get a better view of this. Oh, hold on, yo. I'm gonna have to get this little motherfucker over here a booster seat. You know what I'm saying? That's my baby.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Yo, so I'm excited about this, man. It's finally here. I can finally get going with this one. Here's the reasons why I didn't go with these resonators, man. And I'm gonna fix y'all real quick. Hold on. Good. All right, cool. So yeah, here's why I didn't go with the resonators. One, I didn't like the sound of it. I heard a few videos and the cars vary. The engines vary, yeah. I sound really dumb right now, yeah. But all the sounds vary based on vehicle and your current setup. I didn't want to do resonators. These are actually mufflers, hence how they look. Those are mufflers, but they're the Cherry Bomb Extreme Mufflers. I'm going to put those where the resonators are. And the fucking sound should be heavenly. It should give me a rough... Damn, thank you. It should give me a rough, like a rough raspy kind of maybe-ish V8 sound, kind of like that Charger with the quad tip exhaust. It should be something like that. If I get close to that, I'm good. If I can get that or slightly better, man, shit, I'm good, great, satisfied. So that's really it, man. I said I wasn't going to split this video up. I kind of lied, because I am. I've been keeping y'all in the dark for a long time. It's been a minute since I uploaded. So y'all are getting this video, and then the next one is actually going to be the install, welded, you know, and then before shots, after shots, with clips, and some flybys, some cold starts, some revving. The shit that people like to fucking hear, man. I love doing that shit. So that's going to be the next video. Sorry for keeping y'all waiting. I aim to not do this again unless it's another big build coming. Which, stay tuned, by the way. Stay tuned. And then I'll probably do that. Get the suspense up, you know. But listen, man. Until next time we see each other, y'all be safe. Today is National Voting Day. Make sure you go vote if you haven't already. Be safe. Yo, stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. New exhaust is here. Video coming. And yeah. That's a bad bitch, man. That's a bad bitch. Well, yo, we out of here, dog. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment below on what you thought about this goddamn video and this exhaust. And you got anything to say? Quiet? Okay. Yeah, man, we out of this bitch, man. Appreciate it. We out.